dinner plans.
Hey guys, I took a piece of ivory soap. I have a half of it. I'm putting it in the microwave for 1 minute. Watch what happens.
This is an SOS, don't wanna second guess. This is the bottom line, it's true. I give my all for you, now my heart's in two, and I can't find the other half. It's like I'm walking on broken glass. Better believe I bled. It's a call I'll never get. So this is where the story ends. A conversation on I am, well I'm done. We're texting sorry for the miscommunication. This is an SOS, don't want a second guess. This is the bottom line, it's true.
It deflates. And the reason in the beginning why it puffs up like that when it's exposed to heat is because there's air inside of it. So, after it's out of the heat, all the air deflates. You see, there's the beginning of the soap. It's hot. Kind of like cotton candy, but it's still soap. Look, I can wash my hands with it right now. It's still soap. And you guys can do this at home.
This is an SOS, don't want a second guess. This is the bottom.